In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to background color change in Photoshop. Go to the Photoshop menu bar, select option, then choose subject. Alter and shift, increase and decrease selection. Go to the Photoshop menu bar window option, then choose layer. Make solid color. Go to the Photoshop menu bar image option, then choose adjustment to inverse. Normal to multiply. Change your choice color. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.